still struggling to get back to 7,000. And word on the street is that the Bitcoin bubble is actually bursting. Bob Pisani's got the details from the NYSE. Bob.
Hello, Melissa. Bank of America's chief investment strategist, Michael Hartnett, you all know him, has been getting some attention in the last day or so for this chart. Take a look here, a lot going on. And implying Bitcoin should join the list of the greatest asset price bubbles in history, including the Dutch tulip bubble, the Mississippi Company and South Sea Company in the 18th century, gold in the 1970s, the stock market rally in 29. Just look at the chart here. Bitcoin appears to be the biggest bubble of them all. That's the high one. At its highest level, it was nearly 60 times the value of 3 years ago. Now, the Dutch tulip mania, by the way, that was at its height in the 1630s. That was only 40 times higher than 3 years before. The Mississippi Company, that was formed as a monopoly when the French controlled Louisiana and the southern United States in the 1720s, was 30 times higher than its early years. So nothing else comes close to Bitcoin. Now, we all know these kinds of charts are a staple of Wall Street, and the implications.
So they're calling it a bubble, and what's interesting is this is 1 day old, and you can already see by looking at this graph that we have kind of a fast bounce. And if you've been watching or following this channel, you've probably heard me talk about this numerous times, that when Bitcoin does recover, it recovers quick. And you know, we can zoom in. I'll go ahead and zoom in a little more so you can see this chart, but like, look how big of a jump. Boom, it was dead, and it looks like we're even getting more growth. So it's funny that we're sharing this news about Bitcoin being a bubble, and let's just be honest, guys, it was a bubble. It was overhyped, it was overvalued. But what's really interesting with cryptocurrency is how not only resilient it is if you study cryptocurrencies, but how fast it will recover. Because I don't know what happened at this point right here, but yeah, once it jumped, it started moving like lightning, and it looks like we could be in a bull market. It could be a trap. I don't have a crystal ball. I'm just glad that this period over here and here I've been buying. It's called dollar cost averaging. If you've watched this channel, I've probably repeated myself 1,000 times now, so you hopefully know what it is. If you don't, Google, YouTube. It's the way to go, and that's the way I've been getting myself to invest in this market. So let me know what you guys think. Is this bubble over? On a lighter note, I'm very happy to say that we're getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers, and possibly by the time I release this video, we will be hitting 8,000 subscribers. So once again, thank you very much, guys. Leave your comments. Let me know anything I can do to improve the channel, and I appreciate the negative comments and the positive comments. Thank you very much, and I will talk to you guys soon.